Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay. Now this is the homepage of Google Pay. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. If you tap right here, you've got access to all your payment methods, participating banks, activity, settings where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, you can edit your account info, change personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. Then we've got contactless setup where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, check if you've got set screen lock, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and at the end, access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.